This is number 5 on topic 11, try your best test. It says, show how to add up on an open number line to find 740 minus 490, then write the difference below. Now, some of us don't like using open number lines, and that's understandable. But this question is asking us to use an open number line. So my suggestion is to solve the problem in a way that you are comfortable solving. So 740 minus 490. However you want to solve it, solve it. I'm looking at the subtrahend here, and I can see that it is very close to 500, and 500 is a much easier number to subtract than 490. So I'm going to add 10 to that 490 to get to 500. Now, if I add 10 to 490, I need to add 10 to 740, because what I'm doing is I'm just shifting the subtraction problem down the number line. So 740 plus 10 is 750. Now if I subtract those, much easier to subtract, I get 250. So if 750 minus 500 equals 250, then 740 minus 490 is equal to 250. So now that I have my difference, I know what my answer should be. It's going to be a lot easier for me to use the open number line to represent that problem. So when I'm adding up on an open number line, what I'm doing is I'm taking 740 minus 490 equals what? And I'm changing that into an addition problem. And I'm saying that 490 plus what equals 740. So in order to represent this problem here, I'm going to start with 490. I'm going to start on the left-hand side so I can add and go right down the number line. So what's the first thing that I can do? I'm looking at this and I'm saying, well, let's just add 10. And if I add 10, then I get to 500. What can I add to 500 to get in the 700s? And to do that, I'm going to add 200. Now, I'm trying to get to 740. What do I add to 700 to get to 740, and that's 40. So I'm at my destination already. All I have to do is add up the hops that I took to get there. So 200 plus 40 plus 10 is 250. So 740 minus 490 equals 250. I knew that it was going to be 250, so I know that I am correct.